Okay, so here it is, June 26th, 2022. We're ready to head to the TWA Hotel at JFK Airport, and tomorrow we'll make our trip to Hawaii. So we're at the TWA Hotel. This is a Volkswagen. This is the front lobby. There's Blade Aviation, helicopter service. That goes to Fairfield. So here we are at the room at the TWA Hotel, which is room number 852. 862. And there's the 1950s chair. We're here at the gate. There is JetBlue Terminal. That's Terminal 5. And we're right here off the runway. And you can see that this room, it's a pretty nice room. You're paying for the runway view. This is the bathroom. And it's a 1960s style bathroom. And this is pretty much what it is. You get what you pay for in this place, right on the runway. Terminal number 5. It took us over 2 hours to get here. Traffic was bad, but right now we're right at the airport.
Hello?
Did you put a dime in? You have to put a dime in. All right, that's good. All right. Call the operator.
For your cooperation.
See if we see our luggage going on there.